Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the project real. Create a GCP project, enable billing, and copy the project ID. Once done, install Google Cloud SDK and Kubectl on your machine and run gcloud auth login so commands authenticate. Then enable the container, compute, and IAM APIs and set your default region and zone with gcloud config set. Make sure your account has compute and container roles. If not, create a service account and grant roles before proceeding to cluster creation. Now you create the cluster. Run gcloud container clusters create with explicit node pools, machine type, disk size, and initial node count. Make sure to enable auto-scaling and node auto-repair so capacity self-manages under load. If you need extra security, choose a private cluster and enable master authorized networks. Otherwise, use a public control plane but limit access. Configure VPC native IP allocation, alias IPs, add necessary firewall rules, and enable workload identity so pods can access GCP APIs securely without long-lived keys. Finally, fetch cluster credentials with gcloud container clusters get credentials and apply your Kubernetes manifests using Kubectl apply. Once pods run, expose them with a service or set up an ingress backed by cloud load balancing and configure HPA for horizontal auto-scaling. Verify with Kubectl get pods, describe, and check cloud monitoring and logging for metrics. If something breaks, scale down or roll back with Kubectl rollout undo. One key troubleshooting tip. Inspect kubelet and pod.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.